And we begin with some developing news tonight. The mask mandate is being extended here in Lancaster County.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Lincoln residents will still be required to wear masks indoors and in public through November 24th. That's the day before Thanksgiving.
The mayor says hospitals are still overwhelmed. She gave an example of an area football player who broke his arm and had to wait for treatment until the next day because hospitals were full.
Before COVID, my friend explained, there would have been one phone call made to arrange a surgery, and my friend would have fixed that patient upon arrival at a Lincoln hospital, taking maybe 2.5 hours tops. With COVID, and in this case, the doctor made 4 phone calls, only to find that all of the hospitals were full, and the injured football player, with bones sticking out through the skin of his arm, had to wait until the next day, over 16 hours, to get his urgently needed surgery.
Bryan Health said at midnight there were about 60 COVID patients in the hospital and 20 non-COVID patients waiting in the ER for a bed. He said if there were less COVID patients, those 20 cases in the emergency room would not have to wait. And our dial still remains at the high end of the yellow level.
What individual with chest pain needing to go to the ER wouldn't be concerned right now? We all should be concerned about the disrupted and delayed care people are experiencing locally.
18 to 24 years old is the age group with the lowest vaccination rate in Lancaster County. The FDA is recommending the Pfizer vaccine for emergency use authorization for children 5 to 11. It now moves to the CDC for final authorization. They meet next week to make the decision.